Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on a Bissell robot cleaner. To do this, first let's get the Bissell app, so open your smartphone and download the app called Bissell Connect. Open it, then register or log into your account, and now we can click on the plus button to add the product, and we're gonna go with SpinWave robot. Now we need to power on our device, and you can find the power switch right here. I'm just going to click on it and it should turn on. Let's begin. Then there's the product details QR code, and the product details on the SpinWave robot are located on the underside near the brush roll. So we need to pick up our robot and then look for the information, and I guess it should be right here, and it is. You need to remove the dustbin first, and I found it. I just clicked it on my smartphone, and then it requires you to allow the camera access to that app, and then we need to scan the QR code visible right there, like that. So I think we can insert back the dustbin, and then find the start and pause button, which is located right here. Click and hold it for 5 seconds. You should hear a beep, and then you can let go of that button. Then grab your smartphone again and click OK, it beeped. Join your SpinWave's Wi-Fi. For the next step, you'll be asked to join your Wi-Fi robot. Let's allow the location service as well. Click on the connect on that pop-up. Then next. Select the Wi-Fi that you want to use. Make sure it's 2.4G and enter the password. Then click next, and you can rename your robot. Just gonna enter random letters and continue. Then register your robot. You need to enter the date that you purchased it, and then store from which you've purchased it as well. I'm gonna go with the other and then submit. And now our robot is fully connected with the app and ready to be used. Make sure to grab your charging station as well connected where you want the robot to recharge, and then you'll be all set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.